what is and why I built ConfiguraThor. ConfiguraThor is like my 3D product configurator. It's a product template that is plug and play, and you can just download it and then upload it in Play Canvas, and you have a configurator ready to use that you just purchase one time. So it's a 3D product configurator. You just need your 3D model and then set up your configuration. I already made so many videos because also I updated from the first version till now. We are at the second version of configurator, where I integrated also a modular part. And this is amazing. I'm very proud of it. And why I built configurator? Because many e-commerce owners, many clients of mine were coming to me, discovering me from other videos, and they were like, okay, I want to implement a configurator. But then when I was suggesting the solution for a configurator, already existing solution, well, there were like two ways. So one of the two ways was build a custom one, of course, but usually custom configurator are very expensive. So they start from like $15,000 to arrive also to $100,000, depending on the configurator, the functionality that you want, and all the 3D model that you want. And then the second option is, of course, going with a software. So going with the software means like paying for all the functionalities, like maybe $250 per month, or like sometimes also there are more expensive software that cost you $1,000 per month, just to have like only 10 product for 10 product configurator. So I found that is very difficult, especially for e-commerce owners that are starting, or e-commerce owners that do not want to pay thousands of dollars for a configurator because maybe they just want to test, or to pay monthly software for all life. Because let's say you're staying in business for more than 10 years, and then you're paying like $500 per month for 10 years. Well, that becomes very, very expensive. And of course, then at that point, it makes sense the investment in a custom configurator. So we needed a solution that go in the middle of it. That's why I created my custom configurator, but that you can just download and then again upload in Play Canvas, because the configurator is based on Play Canvas. So Play Canvas is an open source platform bought from Snap Inc. I think in 2016, I don't remember, but it's open source. So the configurator is on Play Canvas. I already made, again, a lot of tutorials on it, but I want to show you some of this, because this is like Play Canvas, for example. And we have, of course, an editor. So you can just activate the editor. And once the editor is activated, and you have, of course, imported your 3D model, you can start to build your configuration. So let's say I want to start a build. In this case, it will tell you if they found 3D model or not. Here, I do not have any 3D models. I can pick up another project, go to the editor, we have the 3D models. And then, like after you upload your 3D models, well, the configuration will detect your 3D models. So let's go to start building. And as you can see in 3D models, I have different 3D models that I uploaded. And then you can start your own configuration. For this sake, I will put video YouTube, continue. And as you can see, you have all the meshes, the materials, and the images that you can upload as a thumbnail. Then you can add step, group options. So give the group option a name, and then start with all the variations. So once you build your configuration, you can have a preview, and this preview will be your configuration. In this case, I don't want to show you the full tutorial. There are different videos, and you can both use the part where like there is the modular part, so the compositional mode, where you can add more modules and you can snap the modules one next to each other, or give it some distance, and the allow surface, so horizontal or vertical surfaces. But yes, so I built configurator because I want to help e-commerce owner have something very nice entering the 3D world without spending a lot of budget and without paying for software a lot of money during the years. So that's why I built configurator. And if you want to try, if you want a specific demo, just click the link below so we can book a call. I can show you configurator, I can answer all your questions, and then if it fits for you, we can help you to implement configurator, because of course we are selecting e-commerce that want to implement configurator, and we are not giving a configurator to all e-commerce, especially if, for example, your e-commerce do not have already good customer experience, because I will not lie to you, like you cannot implement a 3D configurator only because you want a 3D configurator. Everything has to be studied from the beginning to the end, and if you have some other problem, a configurator will not solve for you. It's not a magic wand. So you need before to fix your customer experience problem, but I can help you with that. I can audit your website and tell you if actually you can implement a configurator like this, or maybe it's better to invest your money in another things. So again, if you want to see a demo configurator, just click the link below this video and I will be happy to show you a demo.